The human body is full of secrets. Here are two of the most mind-blowing ones. Why do we hiccup? It's involuntary. It's completely involuntary. When you eat too fast or too much, your stomach expands rapidly. This triggers a reflex arc in your brain stem. Your body tries to expel the air from your lungs to make room for more food. But when it does this, it causes your diaphragm to contract suddenly. This sudden contraction makes your vocal cords close briefly, cutting off your breath. And when you inhale again, the air rushes through your open mouth, causing you to hiccup. Why do we yawn? You know that feeling when you're tired but you can't sleep? That's because your brain is not getting enough oxygen. So you start yawning to get more air. But yawning also triggers the release of a chemical messenger in your brain. This tells your body that it's time to rest. So the next time you feel like taking a nap, just yawn really wide and then go to sleep.